Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkins Nurseries, and we are excited to personally invite you, our community, our guests, our family, and our friends to our grand opening of our 24,500 square foot expansion here at Sipkins Nurseries. So this event is going to take place on Saturday, April 30th from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. At 10:30 a.m. we are going to have a ribbon cutting ceremony. Also from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. that day, we have a caricature artist coming in named Cartoon Bob. So probably about 15 years ago, he created a sketch of my parents, Ken and Jennifer Sipkins, that hangs in their office today. So they're really excited to get that recreated, as well as it will be a really neat keepsake for you to take home from the day. We also have food samples here courtesy of Sipkins Nurseries. So we have 4 local businesses coming in. We have Big Family Brewery from Sarnia. We have Twin Pines Orchard and Cider House from Bedford. We have Great Lake Goat Dairy from Wyoming, and we have The Cottage from Petrolia. And if you still have room after that, we have 2 food trucks also coming in for the day. We have Satara Indian Cuisine, and we have Bubbles Ice Cream Truck. So this is shaping up to be a really wonderful day, and we are excited to have you come out and celebrate with us, our family, and with our team. So that's Saturday, April 30th from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m., and we hope to see you there.